Hello and welcome to my tutorial on writing your first Java program. Whether you're completely new to programming or just new to Java, this tutorial will provide a step-by-step guide on how to create your first program. First, you'll need to download and install the Java Development Kit JDK from Oracle's website. Make sure you download the version that corresponds with your operating system. The JDK includes the Java Runtime Environment JRE and the Java Development Kit JDK, which we'll be using to write our program. Once you've installed the JDK, you're ready to write your first Java program. Let's go over what we just wrote. The first line declares a class called HelloWorld, which contains our program's main method. The rest of the code is contained within curly braces, which tell Java that everything inside them belongs to the HelloWorld class. The main method is where our program begins executing. The parameter string, args, is an array of strings that can be passed to our program. The next line is a comment, which is ignored by the compiler. It explains that the following line will print hello world to the terminal window. The final line uses the system out println method to print hello world to the terminal window. Now that we've written our program, let's compile and run it. The first command, yavik helloworld, Java compiles our program into bytecode that can be executed on any machine with a Java Virtual Machine JVM. The second command, Java helloworld, runs our program by calling the main method in the helloworld class. Finally, you should see hello world printed to the terminal window. Congratulations, you've written and executed your first Java program. This is just the beginning of your journey into Java programming. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Java and other programming languages. Thanks for watching and happy coding.